Fish on. Fish on. Ooh, whoa, that's a big one. Oh, nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. I'm gonna get him over here. Oh man, that's a nice smallmouth. You guys see this? Ooh, that's a good smallie. That's a good smallie right there, boy. I don't know. I don't care who you are. That is a smallmouth right there. Oh man, that's a good smallmouth. That is a smallmouth right there, son. Whoo-wee. I'm gonna see how much he weigh. I'm gonna see how much he is, guys. Ooh, just about lost him there. I wanna see how long he is here. Sorry, I've been trying to get a fish out of Ohio here, so. It's gotta be 20 inches to pass as a fish Ohio. About 14 inches. About 13 inches. Well, boys, here he is. That's a nice smallie. He's a heavy one too. Yeah, gave him a kiss. Alright. Oh shit, that's not good. And I lost my Senko. And my reel was